Hello everyone and welcome back to Canal Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was having very slow drip coming out of the spouts, and it was having an error message every time you would try to do coffee. So we already did a couple of tests with this machine. We made sure that order didn't appear, and we also replaced the water pump. As you can see, this water pump is from 2016, so it's been working for quite a while, and it was not able to push the water like it used to. In order for the machine to brew coffee, the water pump is okay right here. It needs to push water through the thermoblock, through a bunch of hoses, into the brew unit right here, into the mechanoval, and out into the spout. So it definitely needs to have a lot of pressure in order to brew coffee. So we replaced that water pump with a newer one, and now let's test it out. Now you're gonna be seeing that light coming out through here, and that's because the machine needs to be descaled. We did not do that on the machine, as that will take a little bit of time for us to descale it, but we can do that for the customer to do it. There we go. You can see nice steady flow coming out of the machine. There you go. You can see much better. Really good flow. No error anymore. Working really great. Nice layer of crema as well on top of that espresso, as you can see right here. There you go. Now we also replaced the steamer distributor right here, and now we're gonna be testing it out, starting with hot water. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the steamer one, working really well. So now let's do steam. We're gonna wait for the machine to build up a little bit of pressure. Once it does that, the thermolock will start producing steam, and the water pump will start pulsing and sending water through the whole system and through the whole one. Temperature here in the shop is a bit hot, so we will not be able to have a nice diffusion, but we still be going to feel and feel the pressure coming out through the one. And it is a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. As it gets hot, you can see it makes more pressure, and as it gets up to temperature, you can see the steam coming out, burning my hand right here. Working really well. There you go. You can see the steamer coming out of here. Working great. So there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica XS working once again, not having that error. So thank you so much for your payment. Canal Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.